Amidst all the manufactured confusion regarding Olympic champion Jordan Chiles' medal, one issue has finally been settled, as Jordan Chiles will actually get to keep the Olympic bronze medal she was awarded after successfully completing a floor routine with a higher difficulty rating than she was initially given credit for by the judges. As part of her Beyoncé-inspired floor routine, Jordan completed a split leap skill that the judges failed to add to her difficulty scoring initially. And so, as the rules allow, once Jordan's score was posted, her coach challenged her difficulty score and the judges agreed that they had made a mistake. Jordan's score was bumped up by 1/10 of a point to 13.766. And for the first time in history, the Olympics had an all-melanated podium, which apparently caused people to lose their minds, because in addition to that, Simone and Jordan took the time to show honor to Brazilian gymnast Rebecca Andrade, who also had persevered through 3 ACL injuries to win the gold for floor routines. This showed 3 melanated women at the top of their game being gracious and supportive of each other, which publicly destroyed several stereotypes.
Jordan Chiles is keeping her Olympic bronze medal as coaches seek to restore her title, after the first all-melanated Olympic podium caused a major meltdown.
Can you believe that? The cops aren't even going to do anything!
Now, when you take into account all the shenanigans that took place during the 2024 Paris Olympics, from Serena Williams being denied service at a restaurant because according to their initial response to the fallout, the staff didn't recognize Serena, or Sha'Carri Richardson and Jamaican athlete Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price being denied entrance through the main gates where athletes normally enter due to a last-minute rule change, or after her husband, Steph Curry, put France to bed by securing an insurmountable lead for his team in the final minutes of the game, which led to USA men's basketball team receiving their 5th Olympic gold medal in a row, Ayesha Curry had to fight back tears as she was forcefully denied access to her car, which resulted in her baby being bopped on the head by security, even as they watched while others were allowed passage through that same area.
Paris has been playing in our faces this summer, from Kelly Rowland at Cannes, to the Olympic shenanigans with Serena Williams, Sha'Carri Richardson, Jordan Chiles, and now Ayesha Curry.
I'm sick of your You keep with me, I'm a bust.
So on August 6th, the day after Jordan received her bronze medal on the Olympic podium, Romania appealed the judge's decision to accurately score Jordan, not because Jordan didn't earn her score of 13.766, but because of the easily disproven falsity that Team USA inquiry wasn't made until 4 seconds after the 1-minute deadline. By some crazy fluke, the Court of Arbitration for Sports, otherwise known as CAS, sent emails to several incorrect addresses before finally stumbling across the correct email address for Team USA on August 9th, which is 3 days after the appeal was submitted, which was 2 days past the deadline for Team USA to even submit objections, and just hours before the August 10th hearing. So on August 10th, the hearing showed a so-called official video that supposedly showed the USA making the inquiry at 4 seconds after the 1-minute deadline had passed, and they ruled the corrected score should be removed, which was a complete and utter lie, because when you look at the live stream from NBC that shows the unedited 7-minute segment from the beginning of Jordan's floor routine to her being awarded the bronze, you see Jordan get her first incorrect score at 3 minutes and 29 seconds into the clip. So that starts the 1-minute countdown period where Team USA can submit an inquiry. Then, just 34 seconds later, at the 4-minute and 3-second mark, the announcer said that they'd been informed that Team USA had made an inquiry. So that's well within the 1-minute deadline. But that's not all. because just 17 seconds after the announcer makes that statement, Jordan's corrected score of 13.766 appears on the board, and the announcer calls out the fact that Jordan won the bronze at the 4-minute and 20-second mark, which means the whole process from the moment Jordan was scored incorrectly to the judge's public correction only took around 51 seconds, which, as we all know, is definitely less than 60 seconds, and so it's well within the timely filing standard. So, on August 11th, Team USA got a hold to video proof and submitted the facts to CAS with the video evidence that showed their ruling was based on a lie. On August 12th, CAS basically told the USA that the facts don't matter, which makes you wonder what in the world is going on here, because the video clearly shows that they were well within the timely filing standard, yet the judges had some sort of other timing that showed 64 seconds. The math ain't mathin' here. And it all starts to make sense when on August 13th, the Daily Mail and other media outlets uncovered the huge conflict of interest that was first reported by the International Institute for Conflict Prevention and Resolution, where they found that the head judge of the 3-panel CAS that tried to steal Jordan's medal actually has ties to Romania, and that he's represented their interests in several international cases for over 10 years. Now, doesn't that sound like what this situation is? Romania had an international dispute regarding Team USA retaining the bronze medal, and this particular judge, who normally acts on Romania's behalf in arbitrations, is now head judge on the arbitration panel in this dispute. There is no way anyone can make that make sense. But it sure didn't stop CAS from trying, because on August 14th, they publicly objected to the outrageous statements made by the media and said that since the judge had disclosed this information on his dossier, and since none of the parties objected to his appointment, there was no conflict of interest. I mean, they completely disregarded the fact that since they failed to notify Team USA until 2 days after the deadline for objection had passed, no one had the opportunity to object. The mere idea that CAS would say that there was no conflict of interest proved that they don't even understand what conflict of interest means, because it doesn't matter that the information was allegedly disclosed before the decision was made, even though Team USA never received any statement of disclosure. The moment Romania submitted that appeal, that judge's ties to the country for his work became a conflict of interest, and he should have recused himself from that particular case. But instead, they decided to go with the Rocky defense.
This ain't stealing.
Meanwhile, Romania was presented with a new medal, and Jordan is keeping the Olympic bronze medal that she made history with as Team USA continues their work to restore Jordan's title, announcing plans to pursue every possible avenue and appeals process, including to the Swiss Federal Tribunal, to ensure the just scoring placement and medal award for Jordan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.
Remember to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Have fun today.